Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Hey everyone, I'm so glad you're here joining me today. Let's talk about 6 effective shoulder stretches to ease pain and improve posture. Many of us spend hours slumped over laptops or phones, and we feel that tension in our neck, shoulders, and upper back. Our bodies weren't designed to be in these positions for so long, but fear not, relief is just a stretch away. We're going to move through a sequence of gentle, effective shoulder stretches that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you're looking to loosen up tight muscles, improve your flexibility, or simply find a moment of calm amidst the chaos of daily life, these stretches are for you. Remember, listen to your body, move at your own pace, and don't hesitate to modify or adjust any of the poses to suit your needs. Let's create space, find ease, and cultivate a little more love for our shoulders. Shoulder rolls, finding fluidity. All right, let's begin by simply finding a comfortable standing position. Take a moment to ground yourself and feel at ease. Place your feet about hip-width apart, firmly planted on the ground. Feel the connection with the earth beneath you. You can keep your eyes open, or if it feels good, gently close them. This helps you tune into your body and the sensations you feel. We're going to start with shoulder rolls. This exercise is great for releasing tension and improving shoulder mobility. It's as simple as it sounds. Begin by relaxing your shoulders, letting go of any tension you might be holding. Imagine your shoulders becoming heavy and loose. Now, inhale deeply, and as you exhale, slowly roll your shoulders back and up towards your ears in a circular motion. Feel the movement and the stretch it creates. Feel that gentle stretch across your upper back and shoulders. Notice how your muscles respond to the movement. Keep breathing deeply, inhaling as you roll your shoulders up, and exhaling as you roll them back down. Your breath guides the movement. Try to make your circles as smooth and fluid as possible, avoiding any jerky movements. Think of your shoulders moving like a well-oiled machine. Notice how your shoulders feel. Are they tight? Are they sore? Just observe without judgment. This awareness is key to releasing tension. Keep breathing, keep moving, and let go of any tension with each exhale. Imagine the tension melting away with every breath out. Continue rolling your shoulders backwards for 10 repetitions, then switch directions. Each roll helps to loosen and relax your muscles. Inhale, and as you exhale, roll your shoulders forward and up towards your ears, then down and back. Feel the different stretch this direction provides. Again, focus on smooth, controlled movements and deep breaths. This helps to maximize the benefits of the exercise. Feel the stretch in the front of your shoulders and chest. This area often holds a lot of tension, so take your time. Keep going, finding that fluidity in your upper body. Let the movement become almost meditative, and there you have it. Shoulder rolls, a simple yet effective way to release tension and improve mobility in your shoulders. Practice this regularly to maintain flexibility and ease in your upper body. Arm circles, expanding our range of motion. Now, let's move on to arm circles. A simple yet effective exercise to enhance your shoulder mobility and flexibility. Keeping that same comfortable stance, feet hip-width apart, ensure your body is relaxed and ready for movement. Extend your arms straight out to the sides so they're parallel to the floor. This position sets the foundation for the exercise. Imagine your arms are like the hands of a clock, reaching out towards 3 and 9. This visualization helps maintain proper alignment. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your palms facing down. This ensures that the movement targets the right muscles without unnecessary tension. Now begin making small circles with your arms as if you're drawing tiny circles in the air. Start with a gentle motion to ease into the exercise. Inhale as you circle your arms forward and exhale as you circle them back. Synchronizing your breath with your movements enhances the exercise's effectiveness. Keep your movements slow and controlled, gradually increasing the size of the circles as you feel your shoulders warming up. This gradual increase helps prevent strain. As you make the circles larger, you might notice a gentle stretch in your chest and the back of your shoulders. This indicates that the muscles are being effectively engaged. Don't push yourself too hard. Just find a comfortable range of motion and breathe deeply. It's important to listen to your body and avoid overexertion. Continue circling your arms forward for 10 repetitions, then switch directions. This change helps balance the workout and engages different muscle fibers. Inhale as you circle your arms backward and exhale as you circle them forward. Maintain a steady breathing pattern to support your movements. Feel the stretch in different parts of your shoulders as you change directions. This variation helps improve overall shoulder flexibility. Keep your core engaged and your spine long, avoiding any hunching or rounding in your back. Proper posture is key to maximizing the benefits of this exercise. And there you have it, arm circles, a great way to warm up your shoulder joints and improve your range of motion. Incorporate this into your routine for better shoulder health and mobility. Crossbody stretch, a gentle embrace. Now let's move into a gentle crossbody stretch. Bring your arms down by your sides and take a moment to relax your shoulders. Now reach your right arm across your body, as if you're trying to touch your left shoulder blade. You can keep your right hand open or make a fist. With your left hand, gently grasp just above your right elbow. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, gently pull your right arm closer to your chest, feeling a stretch in the back of your right shoulder. Keep your shoulders relaxed and avoid pulling too hard. You should feel a gentle stretch, not pain. Hold the stretch for 15 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply and evenly. As you hold the stretch, imagine your breath flowing into any tight or tense areas in your shoulder. Visualize the muscles releasing and relaxing with each exhale. Now gently release the stretch and switch sides, reaching your left arm across your body and using your right hand to deepen the stretch. Hold for another 15 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply and allowing your body to soften. And there you have it, the crossbody stretch, a wonderful way to release tension in your shoulders and upper back. Doorway stretch. Opening up now, let's find a doorway for our next stretch. Stand facing the doorway about an arm's length away. Extend your right arm out to the side at shoulder height and place your palm flat on the door frame. Your arm should be forming a 90-degree angle with your body. Now, keeping your hand on the door frame, slowly step forward with your right foot until you feel a gentle stretch across the front of your chest and shoulder. Keep your back straight and avoid twisting or leaning your body. You should feel a comfortable stretch, not pain. Hold the stretch for 15 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply and evenly. As you hold the stretch, imagine your chest opening up with each inhale, creating more space in your upper body. Visualize any tension melting away with each exhale. Now, slowly step back to release the stretch and switch sides, placing your left hand on the door frame and stepping forward with your left foot. Hold for another 15 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply and allowing your body to soften. And there you have it, the doorway stretch, a fantastic way to improve flexibility and a range of motion in your shoulders and chest. And neck rolls, releasing tension in the neck. Now, let's give some love to our necks with some gentle neck rolls. This simple exercise can help alleviate tension and improve your overall well-being. Find a comfortable seated position on the floor or in a chair, making sure your spine is long and your shoulders are relaxed. Good posture is key to maximizing the benefits of this stretch. Close your eyes if it feels comfortable, and take a moment to connect with your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your body, grounding you in the present moment. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, slowly drop your chin towards your chest. This initial movement helps to gently stretch the muscles at the back of your neck. Feel a gentle stretch in the back of your neck. Allow yourself to relax into this position, letting go of any built-up tension. Now inhale and slowly roll your head to the right, bringing your right ear towards your right shoulder. This movement targets the side muscles of your neck. Exhale and continue rolling your head back, looking up towards the ceiling. Feel the stretch along the front of your neck as you do this. Inhale and roll your head to the left, bringing your left ear towards your left shoulder. This completes the circular motion, ensuring a balanced stretch. Continue this circular motion, moving your head in a slow and controlled manner. The key is to move mindfully, paying attention to how your neck feels. Avoid any jerky movements and stop if you feel any pain. It's important to listen to your body and not push beyond your comfort zone. Focus on breathing deeply throughout the stretch, inhaling as you roll your head up and exhaling as you roll your head down. Your breath will help guide the movement and keep you relaxed. Repeat the neck rolls for 5 to 10 repetitions in each direction. Consistency is key to reaping the full benefits of this exercise. As you move your neck, notice any areas of tightness or tension. These are the spots that need extra attention and care. Imagine your breath flowing into those areas, releasing any stress or discomfort. Visualizing this can enhance the effectiveness of the stretch. And there you have it, neck rolls, a simple yet effective way to relieve tension in your neck and improve flexibility. Take a moment to notice how your neck feels now compared to before. Child's pose, finding rest and release. Now, let's end our practice with a soothing child's pose. Come down to your hands and knees on your mat. Bring your big toes together and sit back on your heels. If your knees need a little extra support, feel free to place a blanket or pillow between your calves and your hamstrings. Now, take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, slowly walk your hands forward on the mat, stretching your arms out in front of you. Rest your forehead on the mat or on a block if that feels more comfortable. Close your eyes and allow your entire body to soften and release. Feel the gentle stretch in your shoulders, back, and hips. Breathe deeply, allowing your belly to expand with each inhale and gently contract with each exhale. Hold this pose for as long as you like, surrendering to the support of the ground beneath you. Visualize any remaining tension melting away with each exhale, leaving you feeling grounded, relaxed, and at ease. When you're ready, slowly release the pose by walking your hands back towards your knees and gently lifting your torso back up. And there you have it, child's pose, a deeply restorative pose that promotes relaxation and releases tension throughout the entire body. Well done, everyone! I hope these shoulder stretches have left you feeling more open, relaxed, and at ease in your body. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to experiencing the full benefits of stretching. Try incorporating these stretches into your daily routine, whether it's first thing in the morning, during your lunch break, or before bed. And as always, listen to your body and honor its limits. If you have any pre-existing injuries or conditions, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.